Hello, welcome to Liagle Tapeless Drywall Finishing. Today I'm going to show you how it looks like when the first coat of tapeless mud dried and how we do the second coat of tapeless mudding. So let's take a closer look at the joint first. This is a flat joint. You can see the line and nail holes, and that is because the mud is shrinked and the mud was sucked into the joint. This is a butt joint. It is shrinked, so you can see the line, and that indicates that the mud is fully filled in the gap. This is a inside 45, so it shrinked a little. So this is a inside corner with a big gap, so you can see some hairline cracks. So it won't bother the final product. This is the inside corner with a big hole. Now it's dried, so it looks pretty good. For the second coat of tapeless mudding, we use all-purpose pre-mixed mud, mixed with 1 bag of tape in mud. For joints above windows and doors, before we do the second coat of tapeless mudding, we put mesh tape on the joints. For the second coat of tapeless mudding on butt joints, we still just fill the gap. Don't need to spread the mud really wide. For the inside 45 corners, I use a 6-inch knife. Just apply the mud on the side with gap. So the idea is still just fill the gap. So because we only finish one side of the inside 45, so we can cut the labor time in half, save half of the time working on the inside 45 corners. To use a 6-inch knife to finish the inside 45 corner is a little challenging for beginners. So it took me a while to master this technique to finish inside 45. But after a little bit practice, so I think everybody can do this. So just make sure you feather the edge of the mud on one side of the drywall, and you don't really need to pay too much attention on the other side of the joint, because the mud on the other side of the inside 45 can be easily sanded off when it is dried. So for the inside 90 inside corners, it is a lot easier than the inside 45. Liagle Tapeless Drywall Finishing. We skipped the taping process and we only finish one side of inside corners. And we don't need to spread the mud really wide on butt joints. So altogether, we can save about 40% of labor time. And because the gaps are fully filled with tapeless mud, which is fiber reinforced drywall joint compound, so the joints are much stronger than the joints finished with paper tape.
看北斗啊。说走咱就走啊，你有我有全都有啊。路见不平一声吼啊，该出手时就出手啊，风风火火闯九州。